but she was early. Her boots were black and her stockings white, her buckles shone like silver. She had a dark and a rolling eye, and her earrings tipped her shoulders. And she sang lilt-a-diddle, lilt-a-diddle, lilt-a-diddle dee, and she idled on the dee, she idled on the dee, and she landed. What age are you, my bonny wee lass? What age are you, my honey? Right modestly she answered me, I'll be 17 on Sunday. And where do you live, my bonny wee lass? And where do you live, my honey? In a wee house on the top of the hill, and I live there with my mommy. And she sang lilt-a-diddle, lilt-a-diddle, lilt-a-diddle dee, and she idled on the dee, she idled on the dee, and she landed. If I went to the house at the top of the hill, and the moon was shining clearly, would you rise to let me in, and your mommy not to hear? I went to the house at the top of the hill, and the moon was shining clearly. Ah, she arose to let me in, but her mommy chanced to hear her, and she sang lilt-a-diddle, lilt-a-diddle, lilt-a-diddle dee, and she idled on the dee, she idled on the dee, and she landed. She caught her by the hair on her head, and down to the room she brought her, and with the butt of a hazel twig she was the well-beat daughter. Will you marry me now, my soldier lad? Marry me now or never? Will you marry me now, my soldier lad? For you see I'm done forever. And she sang lilt-a-diddle, lilt-a-diddle, lilt-a-diddle dee, and she idled on the dee, she idled on the dee, and she landed. I can't marry you, my bonny lass, I can't marry you, my honey, for I have got a wife at home, and how could I disown her? A pint at night is my delight, and a gallon